Hey guys, welcome back to Flour, Eggs, and Yeast. I'm Cam. We have an action-packed day here today. We're gonna warm this oven up. We're closing in on 4,000 watch hours, so thank you for hanging to the end of this video. Thank you for subscribing. So let's just get right down to it. Oh, hold on a second. Hello? Yeah. No, we're filming. Yeah. Dinner party? Kind of dinner party. Sounds great. Well, we'll bring appetizers. Oh, Miss Sonia Elaine is doing the appetizers. Heirloom rainbow tomato frico. Sounds great. Oh, and crispy prosciutto, Tuscan melon shot. Okay, well, yeah, that's no problem. I love those things. That's going to be great. We'll bring an entree. Oh. Jerri-ellen from Cooking with Neighbors is going to be there? Chicken piccata? No way. I love chicken piccata. Well, we're Flour, Eggs, and Yeast, so we're going to bring dessert. And this is working out great. In the Kitchen with Karen is bringing dessert. Lemon ricotta cake with fresh berries, you say? And it doesn't get any better than that. I think I know what kind of dinner party this is. Hold on a second. So this is an Italian dinner party. A black tie event. All the biggest names are gonna be there. It's gonna be lit. We're gonna be popping bottles with... We have to bring something to this party. We can't just show up empty-handed. It's great to be invited. Even better to bring something. I have an idea. So it's not a party unless it's a buzz with your cuz party. We're classing it up here a little bit. We want to make sure that you go through this dinner in a progressive manner. Now, because we have drinks that go with everything for every taste, including just the club soda. If you don't drink alcohol, that's fine. Don't start now. We have club soda, we have regular soda, we have water, we have whatever you want. But we want to make sure that you do this thing right. So start over at Miss Sonia Elaine's. Check out the appetizer. Then move on to Cooking with Neighbors and Jerri-ellen. She's going to do that chicken piccata, right? That's the entrees. Next. And then you wrap it up with In the Kitchen with Karen so that you can create that lemon ricotta cake with the fresh berries. Okay, so you can progress as if you were there with us. And all of the other celebrities, your invitation is in the mail, I promise. I don't know what they're doing. I sent it out. I mean, I just got invited. It's not my fault. But I'm going to bring you guys with me. Uninvited guests to the dinner party, perfectly fine by me, because it's much better party to buzz with your cuz when you have multiple cuginos with you, cousins. And we're choosing to make some pairings today that will enhance the experience in something called a congruent pairing, which means the flavors are going to be similar. We're going to make sure that this is a hit by bringing the right drinks to the party. Now, since it's Italian, it's real easy to grab one of these. Got our red wine, we got some Chianti, we got a glass, we're good to go. Not today. You see, red wine and light flavors like chicken sometimes definitely go together if they're heavily fried and you want to cut through the fat. But chicken piccata and those beautiful appetizers Miss Sonia Elaine is doing, those will fight against that Chianti. And then what happens is the red wine doesn't taste as good as it should, the appetizers don't taste as good as they should, and you walk away going, what happened? So, the first thing we would do, get us an Italian beer. This is a Peroni from Rome. Light bitter finish at the end really complements a lot of dishes well, and it doesn't have an overbearing flavor. But you don't like beer. I get it. You want wine. So we know red wine is no good. So what do we recommend? We're looking at doing a cocktail it's not a dinner party without a cocktail, right? So we're going to go and do an old Italian favorite, Aperol Spritz. Technically the Aperol itself it's slightly bitter. It's a little bit sweeter than Campari, but it helps stimulate the taste buds. They call it an aperitif. It has a really nice looking color. Look at that. Very pretty. So we got this. They're around since 1919. Secret recipe. The Barbieri brothers. Took them 7 years before they came up with this bottle of good luck here to create it. So we definitely know there's orange in here. There's some herbs and some roots. But overall, they still maintain that it's a secret. I don't know with, well, obviously they're not here to tell us that it's a secret, but the company, the brand is still alive and kicking, and they're not telling anybody what's in here. I think this is about $22, $23, so, you know, not too bad. We're also going to need some Prosecco, dry Prosecco. I like this Ruffino. It's, you know, bright. It has hints of peach and apples in here, golden apples. So this would be great, a little bit of bubbly. And we're gonna top it off with some club soda. Really super simple, very, very robust cocktail in flavor, right? So it starts sweet and then it finishes with that little bit of bitterness to clean the palate, which is pretty nice. And it's not overly complicated. It looks great. It's originally known as the Spritz Veneziano from northeast Italy, you know, where Venice is. Just originally it was good for small plates, but nowadays it's so versatile. It can be done with pretty much anything. And we're also going to put that in a white wine glass. Now I just wanted to mention the white wine glass is a little bit smaller and the opening is a little bit smaller than your red wine glass, and you can see the difference there. If you do only have larger glasses, that's fine. Just be really careful if the glass is thin, because we're going to put some ice in here. And the last thing we want to do is have a broken wine glass or a cut finger. That is a party foul. Not here, not today. This is my official Buzz with Your Cuz glass. And away we go. Again, just be careful. I'm using my hands to fill this cup mostly with ice. So the glass, we don't want to break it. It'd be a terrible thing. Great video, terrible party. All right, so we got that about 3/4 of the way full. You could fill it a little bit more if you like. Let's get our Prosecco open. Careful, don't point this at anybody. Down the hatch. All right, so your typical Aperol Spritz, you're gonna do equal parts Prosecco, equal parts Aperol, splash of club soda, a little bit of orange garnish, and away you go. I like it a little bit sweeter, so a little bit less bitter. So we're gonna do 3 ounces of Ruffino Prosecco and 2 ounces of Aperol, so a 3-to-2 ratio. Smells exactly like a fresh orange, like freshly pulled off of a tree. Just get that nature in with it, so it's a little bit herbal. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful thing. Now, I like to put the Prosecco in first because it's carbonated. We could do that. Look at that. There we go. And we can't forget our club soda. So all right guys, here we are, the Aperol Spritz. Beautiful color, Great to toast with. The orange coming out of the drink and the orange garnish is just, This is a quintessential Italian summer. It starts sweet, finishes a little bit bitter. This is a very refined buzz with your cuz. I can't promise this again next week, but you're gonna have to tune in to find out. We also wanna make sure that you go through this dinner. You can check the description for the links below that will take you directly to the portion of the dinner that you're looking for. And then of course, when you're done with them, you come back here again. So you start here, you finish here. It's a great night. Everybody loves it. And that's a wrap. We gotta get going. I don't wanna miss these appetizers. Neither should you. See you next week.
So thank you so much for inviting us to your homes and your dinner party. Cheers. How do you say cheers in Italy?
Chin chin.
Chin chin. Chin chin. Oh, that's good.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
We don't make junk here. This drink's been around for 100 years for a reason.
And secretly, I did the beautiful design here. So which do you like? Do you like Theresa's or Cam's? Comment below.
Yeah, hold on. I'm just trying to clean this up here. Mine comes with the buzz with your cuz, so
oh,
go here.
Yeah, you're cheating.
Oh, jeez.
Come on. It's so pretty.
All right,
I'm not
it's rolling.
taller than you are, am I?
It's rolling.
Am I taller than you? No.
All right, get your drink.
Okay. You have to be nice.
Oh. Rolling.
I still think mine is the prettiest. Look, all those pretty orange slices. And
But
so
mine
there's
tastes
bubble.
better.
It does taste. Well, no, I think mine tastes.
You didn't
just
try
as
mine,
good.
so how do you know?
Oh no.
I shorted you.
I like the buzz with your cuz t-shirt under there.
Yeah, we're classing it up.
I like it. It was a nice dinner party.
All right, see you next time.